Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make a DIY soy fragrance candle. Here are the list of ingredients we're gonna need for the following project. The fragrance we're using in today's videos are red fruit and hesperides. So first, we're going to pour 10 grams of each fragrance into a container. Next, pour your melted soy wax into the same container that has the fragrance and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Once this has been stirred in thoroughly, we're going to pour it into our candle container. Now, whilst the candle cools in the refrigerator, the third step is to decorate with some flowers or pom-poms. This part is optional. I'm going to be using some dried flowers to decorate. I thought I had recorded the last bit where I used the tweezers to carefully insert the flowers because my camera had gone off. They make perfect gifts as well as small spaces decorations. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos.